Hi everyone. So in this video I want to show you the uh, how much the passive cooling affects the temperature of graphic cards. So as you know that I have these three fans installed. So these are high CFM fans and each can pump around 130 CFM when they are running at full speed. So I normally don't run them at full speed because they are very loud at full speed, so the sound they make at full speed is similar to what you get the sound you get in ASIC miner. So here I'm doing a small test here. So currently all the fans are switched off and you can see the temperature difference now. So all of my cards are in 60 degree, above 60 degree. So only one card, this Zotac, is running as 50 degree because it is mounted in the at the end and it has a better access to the airflow. Uh, Whereas all the other cards, they have around 1.5 inch of spacing, so they are not getting very cool air to circulate. So that's why their temperature will rise and then they will reach this point. So when you are stacking the cards like this, then it's better to push air. So now at this for this test I will be running the fans at full speed, and then we'll see how much difference or how the temperature will ramp down over time. And so once I switch on the fans, it will become very loud because for this test I will be running them at full speed. So let's see. So now the machine has been running for the past 10 minutes and you can see the temperature. So I will just switch off the fans first and then I will talk. So here you can see the temperatures have ramped down and they are within 50 degrees Celsius now. Only the MSIs, they as I reported last time, they have a cooling issue. So that is what you will see, they idle from, if when compared to other cars, their temperature will be a bit higher on high side. But this is how much difference you can expect. So it is more than 10 degrees the temperature will ramp down when the fans are running. So I just set the fan speed such that my temperatures are 55 or under 55 degrees Celsius. So for that, so they are running at around 30% RPM then, and at that speed they are pretty quiet then. So this will just give you overview. So if you have a rig, so you can also install these fans in the configuration where like what I have installed, and then your cards will be running way cooler than what they are running currently.